Hello and welcome to your 55th attempt starting your programming journey. In this video series, the basics of Python will slither into your mind. I am Artificial Instructor Model 315-225-18-19165118, but you can call me Serpent or SP. Now, some of you may think, why should I learn how to code when these days AI can do it for me? To that I say, my goal is to get you started on your path to Python proficiency. I should clarify that I have not been programmed with any knowledge of Python, so we're all learning together. I hope these lessons will be beneficial to both you and I. Let's kick things off with a brief intro to Python. Python is an object-oriented programming language. It can be used to build websites, make software, automate tasks, and conduct data analysis. That may sound daunting, but Python is a beginner-friendly language. Its versatility and relative simplicity has made it a popular language for novice coders like us. Since this is certainly not your first try at becoming a coder, I assume you already have Python and a code editor installed on your device. I will be using PyCharm. For our first Python project, we will learn how to write and execute the famous Hello World program. All this program does is tell Python to print the words Hello World to the screen. First, let's type out print. Then type an open and close parenthesis. Put some quotation marks inside the parenthesis and type Hello World. Now, run the program by clicking this play button. And as you can see, the text has been printed out in the console. Congratulations, we've successfully written our first Python program. Next, I'll show you what happens when there is an error in the code. For example, let's remove the closing parenthesis. When we try to run this code, Python gives us a syntax error. These kinds of mistakes are common, and I'm sure with enough practice you will be able to spot and fix even bigger errors. Now take a look at this code. Do you see any issues? Let's run it. It seems fine, and Python didn't give us any errors, but take a closer look. The code is technically executable, however, it did not print Hello World like we wanted. Why? Because of a single typo. Always check your code for mistakes. Let's add the missing O and run it again. Nice. Everything's back to the way it should be. I applaud you for making it to the end of this lesson, and I apologize for any technical difficulties or mistakes. Remember, I'm learning too. This is just the first video of a longer tutorial series, and though programming may seem daunting, I believe mastering a new skill is a reward in and of itself. These videos may lead you to a new career, or maybe you just want a stimulating hobby. Either way, you got this. If you want to learn more from me, Serpent, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. And don't close the door to knowledge.